Asụsụ ala nna m aga m asụkwa Igbo ka anyị sụba Igbo n'Igbo amaka aga m asụkwa Igbo Igbo amaka asụsụ ala nna m aga m asụkwa Igbo ka anyị sụba Igbo n'Igbo amaka o aga m asụkwa Igbo Igbo amaka asụsụ ala nna m aga m asụkwa Igbo ka anyị sụba Igbo n'Igbo amaka aga m asụkwa Igbo Igbo amaka asụsụ ala nna m aga m asụkwa Igbo nnọọ na klaasị anyị nke tata nnọọ you're welcome to today's class nnọọ na klaasị anyị nke tata it is good to see you obi dị m ụtọ ịhụ gị n'ụbọchị tata it is good to see you. Okay, so we've learned so many classroom commands. Today I want us to use those commands we learned and move to the future and then use those commands again and move to the past. Okay, I want us to use those commands and move to the future. All right, so we are going to learn the future tenses and the past tense of those classroom commands we learned in the last class. All right, so in Igbo, future tense, we'll call it tense ndinihu. Say ndinihu. Say it again, ndinihu. Can you shout it? Ndinihu. Can you say it like a giant? Ndinihu. Say it again. Ndinihu. Can you say it like a baby? Ndinihu. Again. Ndinihu. Can you whistle it? Ndinihu. So we are going to learn tense. Ndinihu. Say ndinihu. Say it again. Ndinihu. Tense ndinihu. Again ndinihu. Again ndinihu. Can you shout it? Ndinihu. Tense ndinihu. That is future tense. Tense ndinihu. Tense ndinihu. Repeat after me. Tense ndinihu. Tense ndinihu. Tense ndinihu. Tense ndinihu. Very good. Give one waka. These are common. So we've learned common phrases with kosi. Common phrases with kosi, which includes kosi ya, kosi, itimpu, kosi, ebaho. Let's start with these ones. Kosi ebaho. We learned all these things. What is kosi in Igbo? Stop. Very good. Can you shout it for me? Kosi. Then the next one, kosiya. What is kosiya in Igbo? Kosiya. Kosiya. What does that mean in Igbo? Stop it. Very good. Gingamaka. Then kositimpu. What does that mean in English? Stop shouting. Kositimpu. Kositimpu. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. And then kosiebaho. 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 What does that mean in English? Stop there. You're great. Kudos to you. You're great. Kudos to you. You're great. Kosiebaho. Kosiebaho. Kosiebaho means what? Stop there. Kudos. Now I said we're going to move to the future. Ndinihu. Ndinihu. We're going to move to the future with these phrases. We're going to move to the future. Ndinihu. Say ndinihu. Very good. Let's move to the future with these phrases. Now, let me give you a simple formula. I've mentioned that before. So this is a follow-up class. You want to form tense ndinihu. You need to invite ga. Remember I told you need to invite this man. Ga. Ga. You need to invite this man. Wherever this man is, you have to call him. You need to invite ga. Now say ga. Biko bia. Ga bianso. Ga bianso. Now ga. You come closer. You need to invite another thing. You need to invite another thing. It is just ah. Ah. Prefix ah. Isinwa. Isinwa ah. Now say ah bianso. Ah bianso. Say bianso. Bianso. Good. Say ah bianso. Ah bianso. Now ah will come. This is all you need to form future tense. In some cases we use instead of ah. In some cases we use We're going to focus on ah today because all of the root verbs we have today will take ah and not When we get to where we should use I will let you know, okay? So invite ga and ah, ga and ah, ga, yana ah, ga, yana ah. Before you can form future tense, say ga, na ah, ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah. I hope you repeat it after me. Ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah, ga, ah. Can we say it with speed? Ga, ah, 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 ga. Now say it again, shout it again. Ga, ah. Very good. When you invite these two people, you are done. Are you getting it? That's all you need to form future tense. Ga, yana, ah. Now let's take the first one. I want to say, remember Kosi is stop. Now you want to say will stop, future tense, or shall stop. Invite these two people. Now you need to write ga. Add hyphen. Bring this man again. Ah. Then bring your root verb. Kosi. You add it. You add it. When you now add it, you have ga and kosi. You have what? Ga and kosi. Again, ga and kosi.
Yes.
Teacher Mary J.
Teacher Mary J. Are we supposed to not put this one?
No, we use either this or this. In some cases, in most cases, some cases we use this. In some verbs we use this. But for these ones we're forming today, we need this. Okay? Now we have ga and kosi. Repeat after me. Ga and kosi. I said after me. Ga and kosi. Ga and kosi. And this simply means will stop, will or shall stop. Do you understand? Ga and kosi. Ga akwụlụ ọtọ. Ga aga akwụkwọ. Ga asụ akwa. Ga asụ akwa. Say ga a. Ga a. Ga a.
What is ga a?
Ga a.
Teacher Mary J. What is ga a?
Asu. We'll wash. Ga asu akwa. We'll wash clothes. Okay? So I said when you invite ga and invite a, you're done. When you invite ga and invite a, you're done. Don't check on Dundu. When you invite ga and invite a, your problem is solved. Are you getting it? Now, how about ga aposeya? We'll stop it. Ga aposeya. We'll stop it. Can you form it for me? Invite this man. Ga. Invite the next man. Add your hyphen. Invite the next man. Then you write your pose. Yeah. So what does this mean in English? We'll stop it. Very good. Oh, shall stop it. Please give yourself a loud clap. Another one. And the bigger one. Very good. So I said, when you invite ga and invite your a, your problem is solved. Now, can you form the future tense for this one for me? You want to write, we'll stop shouting. Shall stop shouting. Please write it for me in Igbo. And wait.